Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So today we will be going and seeing how to create a user. That is the first method, UDF. So I will take you directly into the system. We will log in here, go into the home page. And for creating the user we need to download the template. So, for downloading the template, what we need to do? We have to again go to Employee Export. So it is still coming here. I will go to Employee Export. Okay. Okay. Now I go to Export Template. I have just downloaded the export template. I will open this template. I will show you how it will look like. Can you see the template? Here is the template is usable. Yes. Is the template is visible? I'm not able to hear you. Yes, it's visible. Okay. So now it is a blank template. Yesterday, when we were doing the topic for the proxy management, we have seen a master sheet, right? So all the data was filled. Now you want to create a user. So how you will go and create a user? We need to fill all this detail which is showing here. Okay. And then we need to import it. Okay. So this is the template which we have downloaded from Employee Export. Okay. So I will download the details here. And for creating a user. Okay. Again, I will go into my system. And let me take some data here. Just a moment. This must be invisible. Now the sheet. So this I have just created for my another batch. So we have a blank template here, which you can see here. This is a blank template. So what I will do? I will just copy it. And then we will go and edit it so that it will be easy for us. For creating, but in a real time you will be getting the data, and from that data you need to align it and copy and paste it here. Okay, so the status of creating, we keep it as active. User ID is the unique one. What we are taking? We should assure that sometimes customer want the user and they should be the email ID. So you should confirm that what is the user ID which we need to take, or they are currently using some user ID. They want to continue with that. We can go and take the same user ID. Okay. So I will just update it with A. I'm creating a user here. Okay. Last name I'm taking. Okay. Gender. I'm taking email. Let me take. Okay. If I'm not assigning any manager, I will keep the manager, as this is the text I have to keep. That is capital, capital, no underscore. Manager. Okay. The capital. I will keep as no underscore manager in the case. Also, if I'm not assigning any HR to this user, I will keep it as no underscore HR. Okay. I have already created the department and a job for everything. So I'm not changing anything. I will be going with the hire date. So let's take in the hire date. The date format will be MMDDYY. Okay, MMDDYY. So the first is the month. So let me take something. Let me take, I'm taking a step. Okay. This is for number. I will change the business for number. Okay. And again I will in a real time. You will be getting all the details, the address, the state, the zip code, country, everything you will be getting here. It is a dummy system. So we are not filling all the details. We can able to ignore it for creating the user default language by default. It will be coming as here and the US. And again, when you scroll down, you will find two things, that is person ID assignment, person ID external, and you have option that is assignment ID external. Okay. So this, we are taking the user ID. Whatever the user did that we need to keep the user ID here. Okay. So we have to go here. Okay. And copy this. And just paste it here. Okay. This is a part which we need to do. And like this, you can able to create multiple records. First of all, you have to create a record here. And then you have to save it here. Okay. So I will be saving this record. So, first of all, I have downloaded it, so I will save it. So, after saving it, what I will do? It is there. I will just close this record. It is there in my download. What I will do? I will go to my download. I think the screen for download it is not showing for you people. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.